These things are called smocks, right?
No. Aprons.
Actually.
Do I need this?
Yeah, you do. For like, if you get like acid or something on you.
Cooking up battery? Cooking up meth?
Yeah, exactly.
Yo,
we didn't say it was a food cooking show.
Cooking up some crack with the boys.
Okay, Mr. Ricky and myself, none of us are professionals, so don't attempt anything you see on the show at home. So today we're doing a pasta, some penne or something, I believe, with a homemade tomato sauce, some chorizo, pancetta.
I don't know how to cook.
So we're gonna get you chopping up some pancetta. So they take a little small pig, about this big in diameter, and they kill it. You cut it into these rings, and that's the inside of the pig there. So cut it this way, about a centimeter each, like this.
Cube
cut it that way, cube it up nice.
Cube it up.
And we get the chorizos chopped up.
Ooh, this is actually pretty tough. This is cured, right? Could you eat it? No.
Yeah, you probably could, honestly.
I wouldn't risk it.
Try it. You're gonna get that pork disease that like goes into your brain. It turns you into a madman.
I think it's cured enough.
You eat it, and then it goes in your brain and goes bleh, and like kills you. A slow, painful death. We're gonna get the garlic on here, Ricky. Yeah, it should probably be good enough. Do you know how to cut garlic up?
Well, you first gotta crush it, right?
No, not yet.
Oh, hold up.
Peel it first. And just toss everything in the sink. We got one of them choppers down there. Put in a body or something in there if you're like, you know, serial killer.
Wait, did I ever tell you about... Actually, I don't know, this is camera boy. There's a chick that went to my school. And then the guy's like, oh, my it's all clogged, and they showed up, and that's how they found out. Okay, now you crush it, right?
Get all this stuff out of there first. Like, dump that in the sink. Maybe you crush them, I don't know. Let us know in the comments if I'm doing this all ass backwards. I don't care what you think though, so comment, and then we'll give it a dislike.
I gotta chop this up, eh?
Yeah, get it nice and finely diced, kind of like these shallots. These are gonna add a lot of nice flavor, but without being too oniony. You know what? I feel a little torturous right now.
What the f***?
Man, I cry.
Cry like little bitch. He's like little bitch.
Makes me sad.
Makes you sad.
Thinking about the life the onion lived.
Live sad, short life, because big redhead men.
Game and chop them up. So we're gonna take a large frying pan. We're gonna put that on, you know, medium heat. A little bit of olive oil.
Do you need a little more?
The pancetta is gonna start bringing out some juice. And then we're gonna get that nice and warm. And then we're gonna throw our sausage and pancetta in there. Get it all browned up, nice and a little bit of crispness to it, because it's gonna have that nice crispy caramelized flavor to the sauce. That garlic's gotta be a little bit more.
What? You judging my What the f do you think this is, boy?
This is the gulag. Gulag's kitchen. Communism. Communist garlic. Everybody gets some, nobody benefits. This is gonna be demonetized when you say that.
I think it's gonna be demonetized for the story I told about. It's like, don't put that in there. I would have, yeah, what do we do? Don't put that in. Because that's what, you know. Yeah.
So this is gonna take a little bit longer to cook than that. So you get that nice sound going. A little bit of pepper. Everybody says add salt. Pancetta is salty. All sin already, so we're not adding any more. We're gonna add a little bit of chili flakes. A couple of shots of those for some spice. You bitch.
No, man, I'm good. I'm good.
And give me a little sprinkle of oregano on there. Just kind of a little shake. Oregano's great because you can sell it to grade 8s as weed, a little baggy, right? You can sell it to, they don't know the difference. I sold cocaine to grade 8s one time. It was silica casting media for casting wax things. And I put it in a bag. So I gave it this grade 8 kid. I'm like, hey, you want some coke? And he's like, this friend is good, isn't flour, isn't sugar. He's like, maybe it really is. So I'm like, well, why would I lie? I lied. Well, look at those brown up nice and beautifully. Toss those sausages in there. I got the shallots yet. I'm gonna get the our sauce going here. Oh shoot, we need to turn the oven on. Oven to 400 degrees. Add some oil. So you take one of these hats, you flip it upside down. I'm gonna fill it up with tomatoes. These are the failures that didn't turn red. So you get them for cheaper. They still taste the same. Then we're gonna add a few more of the expensive red ones that aren't failures, just to make the failures feel bad.
Are you using cherry tomatoes?
Oh yeah.
What? You want me like normal tomatoes?
He doesn't know what he's talking about. Okay, that looks pretty good. You can turn that heat down to a medium low. So we're gonna get these shallots in here. Okay. Brown them up. We're gonna chuck that garlic in there. And then you're gonna use 1 block of your favorite name brand fresh soft white cheese. It's smelling delicious.
This is making me so hot.
The worst part about this though is this sauce has to go in the oven for a half hour. So poor Ricky, we'll get him some chips or something.
What? Wait, what?
Yeah, it's gotta sit in the oven for a half hour.
Ah. Wait, actually.
Yeah, I'm dead serious.
Wait, why?
Yeah, throw a dash of oregano in there.
Okay.
A little bit more, like a liberal amount. Yeah, it's probably, that'll work. So we're gonna take our tomatoes, we're gonna fill this sucker up with tomatoes. And we're gonna turn this nice and low. We're gonna take our favorite name brand soft white cheese, and we're gonna put this right in the middle here. So pasta sauce is the easiest thing on planet Earth. We're doing like a really cool scratch made pasta sauce. Garlic, oil, cherry tomatoes is pretty much your base. You start adding a little bit of like oregano, or you can add chili flakes, you can add shallots, that kind of stuff. But those 3 things are what make a sauce awesome. That's up to temp now. Don't grab the pan handle when it comes out of the oven. And we should probably put some water on. So we have penny rigate, and that is the pasta we're using there. Got a half kilogram of it, product of Italy. Then we go in a salted water. Salt water boils at a lower temperature and freezes at a lower temperature. That's why you don't see the ocean freeze over. We gotta wait until 7:15 here. So we're gonna take a commercial break. Come right back.
Coffee break? I need a coffee.
You need coffee, man.
I feel horrible. White is probably better. Just we got one for that. Actually, no, we'll wait.
Look at that. Where's the nose?
Some eyes from a couple of rocks here.
Me sideways, that was interesting.
Welcome back. You probably saw a little commercial for whatever we're gonna be.
Quaaludes.
Commercial for Quaaludes.
Selling Quaaludes.
So yeah, we're pharmaceutical experts now. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's fine. It's just warm. We got a couple minutes till that sauce is gonna come out of
The oven.
the oven. Yeah, we don't know anything about kitchens. Nothing.
Yo, wait. What the f is that?
Let's take a look at these suckers. Oh, look at those. They're starting. Oh, I just steamed my eyes.
Nice.
Look at how beautiful that is. Come take a look.
Honestly, does it look like much has changed?
We have a little history lesson here. So, in the 1800s in Italy, they would take a small child and they'd throw him with a couple of knives into the pot. And he'd go around and chop up all the tomatoes. And you see, one of those little children became radicalized. And that child grew up to be Benito Mussolini. And you see, that's when the immersion blender was invented. But you take this sucker, you throw him in. Oh, that's hot!
You're flinging shit everywhere, man.
No, that's part of it. Give us a nice stir, get it simmering. You gotta love content where people stand around and do nothing. It's almost like we're working a union job. We'll throw these suckers into the sink.
You know you want to get it in the colander, right?
Oh no, I forgot a colander. We're gonna throw a little bit of oil in here. Throw that in there, and that's why we leave that without cooling it down with the water. We throw this in here. Oh shit. And then we throw our delectables. The meat. You know what I completely forgot?
What?
Which we can still throw in here, is spinach.
What? Oh, whoa, wait. Spinach?
Spinach, yeah, spinach is freaking wicked in this. Spinach wilts nice and quick. We'll throw a handful of spinach in there.
I'm saying, wait, what?
No, seriously, watch this. Spinach is the magic vegetable. You throw it in here, and this spinach will wilt down to nothing. It doesn't really add much. And Popeye eats it, so it must be good for you. We'll throw our pepper in there. So yeah, give it a stir and then turn the heat off. And then the trick with basil, you grab a couple of basil leaves, and you give them a little roll to a little basil blunt.
Basil blunt? You gonna smoke that after or what?
And you just chop up your basil blunt. So that looks like it's gonna be beautiful. We'll take our cheese, Costco cheese. You get a bowl. Okay, so we take this, grab a good scoop of this. So you throw a little bit of cheese on there. That's a lot of cheese. A little Parmesano. A little bit more pepper. That right there. It's beautiful chorizo, pancetta, tomato, creamy, spinachy pasta with some cheese on it.
I can eat some food.
Tell the camera what you think.
No, not really good. Holy this is actually... Yo, Matt, what?
So let the cameraman try here. See what our producer thinks.
Right, man?
Yeah.
That's really good, man. Holy shit, man.